Yeah, see that? Little turn now trying to come straight down. That's called a hammerhead, by the way, when you go straight up, make a U-turn in the sky, and then come straight down. That's a 4-point. Oops, no, he reversed it, brought it back. Heading up again. Going up, over on his back. See that?
I took my first lesson when I was 12 years old with my dad in our family's Piper Cub, and soloed a glider when I was 14 years old, and then a power airplane when I was 16. On my 16th birthday, actually 10. That's the youngest age you can do it, so I was real proud of that. And then flew my first airshow at 16 in a powered glider. Got my power license at 17, and then flew here last year when I was 17 in the family Stearman. And I got my commercial license this year when I'm 18, and now I'm flying here in the pit special.
A little bit of smoke there. He's climbing straight up. And you know, Rob just ate a sandwich, so when you see him do this, he ate potato chips and a ham and cheese sandwich. And that is called a knife edge spin. That is one of the most difficult maneuvers to do in this little airplane. In about a minute, you will see a number 8. And if you see the bottom of the wings, it's got a red and blue stripes. I designed those. And at the very bottom of the engine, there's a smiley face with a tongue sticking out, because that's what the tumbling bear does when he's doing some of these maneuvers. I'm going to be doing some really weird stuff with this airplane, so I'm going to be real busy, and I'm going to make you talk to Susie while I do that. But I'll come back and talk to you when I'm done, and thank you so much for coming out. This is Rob the Toothless Bear, and you're seeing my last show with cable. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Good night, Susie. Okay, honey, have a good flight.
I hope everyone's watching. This is definitely unscheduled. Yes.
Are you serious? Oh my God. High speed flyby.
Okay, everybody, just, you probably don't very often get close to a blimp. I'm not usually around blimps. This is, by the way, this is one of the, what we call the modern blimps, as opposed to the ones back in World War II. That's the smoke. It's a little bit of a kind of vegetable oil they inject in with the exhaust pipe. It gives you smoke, so you can see the plane and the aerobatics easier. Kind of going up and down over the hill, over on his back, you see? And then he rolls out, so he's upright. It's kind of hard to fly upside down. And there he goes. Remember, not only are they flying their routine today, but they're also, at times, you might notice just a little pause, and they're checking the ground reference marks to make sure they stay inside their airbox.